Yes, I am Dr. Induprakash Pandey. For last 45 years or more, I've been living in the West, in Germany, America, Romania, etc. I think in about 2010, I started feeling problem in my right leg. It was not fully helping me in walking as much as I did and I wanted. And so I had problem of tingling in my legs, particularly on the right leg. So tingling increased, and it increased to such an extent that day and night it was going on, and I was not able to sleep. I became very anxious, and then I went to the doctor, and doctor in Germany told me that I have some problem in the lumbus or the lower part of the spine, and that is causing you main trouble and difficult to cure it, and perhaps it may have to be operated, and that is the only option. But at the same time, several doctors, they told me that I had to not go for operation because one never knows whether operation will cure you or the operation wound itself may not become a problem for you, hurt you, give you pain, and so it's better not get operated. Then what? Then the only thing remained was that they proposed physiotherapy. And I went to the course of physiotherapy in Germany. I did it about 3 weeks, physiotherapy. Well, it did not help me much either. And then I was becoming almost hopeless. I was thinking, my God, now nothing can improve. The problem became acute. I could not sleep. I became very anxious and started thinking, now the end is coming, but it is going to be very painful. And so I did not know what to do. I was in touch with my friend, with Malhotra, Vijay Malhotra, and then he told me that he had a treatment with Dr. Shetty here in Pune, Anand, and he got all right. He's feeling all right now. He's walking okay. He had problem in his knees. You come to Dr. Shetty. And he went on emphasizing that is the only thing, you come to Shetty and he will cure you. And he narrated the whole thing. Then we looked into the internet about it, and I talked to Dr. Shetty on telephone, had a long discussion, and then he inspired me that I should come over and then let's be checked and treatment should start. But coming to Bombay itself was a problem for me. I was not able to get up, not able to sleep, not able to, and the anxiety was so much that I felt almost the end has come. But with the help of my wife, I managed to, and we to Dr. Shetty. Let's see, that was our last rescue. So we thought that will be the last. We had come for, so almost morning and afternoon, 2 hours, 3 hours in the morning and afternoon, 2 hours or so. I was being treated here by the clinic, by the different doctors. And this is what I most appreciate with this clinic, is the multidisciplinary treatment possibility and that arrangement for such things. All such doctors were here. And so we went on with that, and then when I started feeling better, about 3-4 days, it started changing, and I was better. I could walk up the staircase in your old clinic there, while I was being taken and carried by 2 persons to the lift and brought to the doctor, and then I could come on my own without any difficulty. So it was rather very quick result, and in about 5-6 days I felt quite well, and I said now I could go back. And so on 4th of March we left here after this treatment, and I felt quite quite all right, and I walked and went to Delhi, went to Haridwar and lived there. Could climb 3 flights, three stories. This is the story more or less. And so now, after about 1 year and 11 months, we are coming back here. The most important thing is here that I find is the multidisciplinary approach to the patient treatment. The important is rare to find that, and the doctors are there to monitor and look after the well-being of the patient. And this is rarely done in any other place. Doctors are not interested in the health of the welfare of the patient, but they give medicines and all that. The patient used to, if it is done, if one feels well, it's good. If it is not, what can I do? What can I do? But that is not the approach here. So that is what I find very, very interesting, this multidisciplinary, and the approach to take care of the patient, that if comes to a stage where he starts feeling well, and that is the purpose of medicine and treatment, and that is what one gets here. And Dr. Shetty is a very inspiring and smiling personality, and he has very sympathetic approach to patients, caring patients, and that is very inspiring. That's very enthusiastic approach to the whole thing. So this is how I feel about the thing, and I have come back to meet Dr. Shetty because he told me that he has extended the facilities in the Koregaon Park, and that I should come and visit it, as it is much more than before what he had there before. So I'm here before you. Thank you very much.